Guys, today simplex test. So this is FOS-80711 and this is simplex light strobe 809 8009 wait FOS 8711 and this one is 8009 and dash 761. This is a simplex T-bar 7061 8 dash 7000 81 down here. This is simplex 4002 9076 65 and this is a light simplex light strobe 7011 and then right here as a door. This one is Honeywell 708190 dash 0001T. So let's go test it, guys. But I forgot this. This is a Gamewell Pool Station 806116 dash 89. So let's test it. I